12 governors from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) have strongly opposed President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's suspension of Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara. They described the decision as a grievous mistake and a threat to democracy. On Tuesday, March 18, 2025, President Tinubu declared a state of emergency in Rivers State due to ongoing political conflicts. He suspended Governor Fubara, his deputy, and members of the State House of Assembly. Tinubu accused them of failing to follow a Supreme Court judgment and cited security concerns. He appointed Ibok Ete Ibas, a retired vice admiral, as the new administrator of the state. The PDP governors, led by Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed, rejected Tinubu's decision. They criticized the president for not addressing the role of Nyesom Wike, the former Rivers State Governor and current Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, in the crisis. Governor Mohammed stated, "Wike has become a law unto himself because he was playing out your script. Now we know." The PDP governors warned that suspending Fubara could worsen political tensions in Rivers State and the state economy, increase security threats, threaten Nigeria's democracy and national unity. President Tinubu defended his decision, saying he tried to restore peace in Rivers State, but the leaders involved refused to cooperate. However, the PDP governors are demanding an immediate reversal of the suspension. While the political crisis in Rivers State continues, and Nigerians are watching to see what happens next, we'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.